And now, Odyssey, WSCR 104.3 The Score, and the Northwestern Medicine Cubs Radio Network exclusively present the Cubs Radio pregame show, driven by your Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana Buick and GMC dealers. Brought to you in part by ABOC, Bosch Power Tools, that's DesMoines.com, CertaPro Painters, Club Citgo, McGrath Acura of Westmont, Consumers Credit Union, the Salvation Army Adult Rehabilitation Centers and Thrift Stores, Fitzgerald Equipment, Southwest Airlines, the Village of Bedford Park, TimberTech Decking and Railing, and by Ziegler Subaru of Kenosha. And now your host, Zach Zaidman.
Well, it is rare to have